everyone! Today we're going to learn something very simple but very important in English language. Possessive adjectives. These words help us show who something belongs to. Ready? Let's go. So, possessive adjectives come before a noun to show ownership. So we use possessive adjective to show ownership. For example, my book. It simply means the book belongs to me. Your bag. The bag belongs to you. So once you use the possessive adjective here, you are showing ownership for this noun. Okay? So, when someone asks, who does the bag, instead of saying, this bag belongs to you, they can say, your bag. Gotten? His car. The car belongs to him. Her phone. The phone belongs to her. Its color. The color of a thing or animal. Our teacher. The teacher of us. Their house. The house of them. Gotten? Good. Okay, let's practice together. Repeat after me. Subject. Possessive adjective. Example. I. My. My name is Gift. Good job. You. Your. Your hair is nice. Good job. He. His. His bike is red. Good job. She. Her. Her bag is blue. Good. It. It. The dog eats its food. Good. Good job. We. Our. Our class is fun. Good job. They. Their. Their house is big. Good job. That's correct. Very good. Okay. Let's answer these questions. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. My, your, his, her, its, ours, and their. Number 1, I am a girl. Good. My name is Gift. Good job. Number 2, this is her. Good job. This is her mother. Good. Good job. Number 3, we love our. Good. We love our teacher. Good job. Number 4, he is eating his. Good job. He is eating his lunch. Number 5, they are washing. Good job. They are washing their car. Good job. Now you know how to use possessive adjectives in English language. Practice every day by saying things like, this is my book, this is her pen, and so on. Don't forget, short daily practices makes you fluent. Don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe. You can also turn on the notification button so that whenever I post a new video, you can be notified. Okay, bye. See you next week.